Hi teacher, my name is Laura Ortiz and I'm going to talk about of my expectations. My expectations when the coronavirus pandemic is over, I will initially return to normal, gradually taking precautionary measures. I will travel to Pasto to continue classes. I'm going to do final exams. I will greet again with my friends and teachers who miss them very much. And I will visit my grandparents. They live in the Cruz Nariño. I'm sure we're going to find a cure. We're going to go ahead with our families by following the rules. The pandemic will teach us to value the time and the little things in our lives, which was not so important before. I will wait for my friends and teachers to take care of each other to find us again. While I will be at my house in the current quarantine, because I'm going to hug them again. Thank you.